Hey everyone, Kevin here from Missouri Clark Life. So the only reason I'm doing this video is just to show everybody what a beautiful Sunday it is today. It's been kind of rainy on and off this last week, but today has turned out to be an awesome day. Just really pretty. So from Missouri Clark Life, I just wanted to show everybody how pretty nature is today. It is so beautiful, nice and warm. So glad that summer's finally getting here. I know it's still spring, but summer's just around the corner. We got some really pretty big clouds today too. So I just wanted to share our little beautiful piece of nature that's out here in the country, and I hope everybody had a great Sunday as well as we did. So from Missouri Clark Life, be safe, be strong, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.